Hi, so my name is Ade Shikoya. I'm an Agile coach and Agile consultant who is a speaker at the Agile in Africa Conference 2015 here in Accra, Ghana. It's been an amazing experience. I get fortunate that I get to speak at conferences around the world. But what makes this unique and so special for me is, number one, as an African, I'm from Nigeria, I live in London, but to come and see our young minds and to see some of the key people in business attend this conference and to be taking away so many great takeaways of how they can use that information not to just change their companies but to change the way that the societies that they live in, to improve development, to create more opportunities, whether that's in housing, education, healthcare, for me has been a really exceptional experience. As I said before, to see so many young people and adults come together in a spirit of collaboration and start looking at how they can find solutions to some of the challenges that have been faced, to me is just really invigorating and inspiring. So it's been an excellent experience. Also, this is my first time in Ghana, so how do I say it? What's saying? Been a very great experience, so thank you. And I would suggest that 2016 Agile in Africa Conference potentially will be back here in Ghana again, so I'm sure you'll hear about the buzz and see the wonderful work and wonderful takeaways so many people have taken. Hopefully we'll look forward to seeing you here next year, God willing. Thank you.
My name is Sven Poppelman. I'm the Chief Technology Officer for FarmDrop Limited in the UK. The conference has been incredible. My fellow speakers and all the other coaches and organisers here have been absolutely amazing. I can't believe how well everything has gone, and what a good time I've had in this country. This is my first time in Ghana. As a South African, the continent has always held a special place in my heart, and I've always looked forward to any opportunity I've had to come to Africa, and it's a very special time to be here. Ghana has been an endless surprise. It's been absolutely brilliant to be here, and this is for me the first of many more visits, I know.
I'm Ahmet Akda. I'm coming from Istanbul, Turkey to this Agile in Africa conference. I'm one of the co-founders of the non-profit organization called Agile Turkey and the company leading agility services company ACM. I'm one of the co-founders of that company. We are providing consultancy, training and outsourcing services for the companies and firms and for the organizations that need agility. So I came here for a talk to contribute pleasurably to this conference. And what I like here is that Africa is a great place, Ghana is a great place, Accra is a great place, and all the people are very warm. And what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to teach something, share something, some of my experiences with the people here, some of my experiences about agility, what Agile is, to people here. So the motto of this conference is cheetahs or hippos. So I don't think that I'm a cheetah right now, but what I see is that there are many cheetahs or cheetah candidates here, and they can really do well if they just believe in themselves, and if they can learn the tactics, tools, and if they can learn the practices well by the speakers and by the people trying to share their experiences here. So I'm also planning to come here again if we can develop some more business here. So there are many companies here, many telco companies, banks who are struggling for agility, who are struggling for going and running and acting as a cheetah, so we can help them as well.
My name is Karen Bowes and I'm here in Ghana, in Accra today. I'm from the UK and I live in London and in the Midlands of the UK. It is so fantastic to be here in Ghana. I am loving the Agile in Africa conference. What I'm finding amazing is the passion of the delegates in the room and your willingness to learn. The questions are phenomenal, really thought-provoking, and I'm seeing in the room people who can really transform the way we think about the world of work, and also people who are ready to seize the opportunity that is here in Ghana, in Africa, to really contribute to our society and to our world. As I say, I'm loving Ghana. It's the first time I have been here. You people are so friendly and so welcoming. The environment is beautiful, and it's just such an exciting, vibrant place to be. Thank you so much for inviting me.
I'm Rob Harding. I work for Capital One Bank, and I've come to the conference here, Agile in Africa, in Ghana, Accra. It's been absolutely incredible. I've loved every minute so far. The speakers have just been amazing. I've learned so much. I've met so many fantastic people from all different walks of life, students from the police, from software companies, from banks. Yeah, I've honestly loved every minute, and I can't wait to get back inside to hear the rest of it. I'm going to come back next year as well.
My name is Goku John. I'm an Agile business consultant from Southampton, England. The objective behind this conference is just to take the expertise we've utilized in Europe, working around the globe to our motherland, which is Africa. I originally from Lagos, Nigeria, and went to England about 16 years ago for greener pasture. But I actually have been a business consultant working with our government organization out there in England, looking at organizational transformation and change within organization. And the conference is more coming back and empowering startups, young entrepreneur, people in universities, just trying to give them the empowerment to go out there and make a change around the globe. And the change can be made from within. Everyone has got the potential to make change wherever they find themselves. You just have to come out of that cluster thinking, I cannot do it, based on the environment you find yourself. Most people think the only good can only happen in Europe. But there are lots of things that are not happening out there in Europe. But we've got the natural resources, and I know people will be thinking about, yeah, it's easier said than done. I've gone through that phase. But like I said earlier on, wherever you find yourself, the opportunity is there, and you can just make something out of nothing.
My name is Leah Ligang. I am a speaker here at Agile in Africa Conference 2015. It's my first visit to Ghana. I've been a member of the Agile community for a long time, and my topic here at this conference, the topic I'm speaking about, is how to organize for complexity, how to turn entire organizations agile and more successful and better suited for human beings. So I'm happy to be part of this first conference here, and I look forward to being back next year around. Hope to see you then.
Hi, I'm Patrick Ingram of Agile Jet. I've been really proud to be a member of this inaugural event, agileinafrica.com. Over the last couple of days I've seen some amazing sights. It's a wonderful facility, and the conference has really been first class. I've had the opportunity to visit an incubator with some real fertile minds working on stuff that can disrupt the whole of the world. Again, a real pleasure to work with them and to, as far as I'm concerned, to give their mentoring, give them a little bit of mentoring. So I'd highly recommend it to anyone else. If you're not here this year, look into the calendar for next year, because this is a one-off event. It's held at the Labadi Beach in Ghana, but I suspect that it will quickly spread to the rest of Africa.